Effective land registration law is essential for everyone who owns land, whether it's your home, your business or an investment. And a land registration system that works is important for business and the economy. Over 24 million titles are now registered in England and Wales. That's around 86% of the land. Therefore, any inefficiencies or uncertainties in the land registration system can be replicated many times, having a significant impact on the property market and increasing costs for landowners. Land registration is currently governed by the Land Registration Act 2002. The environment within which the law operates has changed considerably since that legislation came into force. For instance, we have seen an increase of fraud relating to registered land, and technology has not developed in the way that was predicted when the legislation was drafted. This project is a review of the 2002 Act. Our early scoping work threw up a range of often highly technical issues that have important implications for landowners, conveyancers, lenders, and anyone else with an interest in the property market. It also highlighted some issues that raise broader questions about land registration, including the scope and effect of registration. We are not planning a fundamental rewrite of the 2002 Act. The aim of this consultation is to find out from the people who use the Act how it is working in practice and how the system can be made clearer and brought up to date. One of the important issues we are looking at is how the land registration system responds to fraud. A common example of the sort of fraud we are seeing is where an innocent purchaser buys property from someone fraudulently claiming to be the owner, so a type of identity fraud. The purchaser becomes the new registered owner, displacing the legitimate owner from the register. The land registration system has to determine which of these two innocent parties should have the land and which should be compensated under an indemnity scheme provided for in the Act. We are provisionally proposing a formula to clarify and simplify how these difficult choices should be made, and we would like to hear your views on this. The ultimate aim should, of course, be to prevent fraud from happening in the first place. The majority of conveyancers and mortgage lenders operate to high professional standards, but we ask whether more can be done to incentivise the small minority who fail to do so. We also ask whether the system should include more effective identity checks, and if so, how these can be achieved. Any modern system of land registration should involve electronic conveyancing. The 2002 Act envisaged an ambitious model, but this has not yet been achieved. In our consultation, we are asking for feedback on some ideas as to how the way could be paved for a more flexible approach to developing electronic conveyancing. The consultation is open until the 30th of June. We want to hear from all those with experience of the operation of the Land Registration Act 2002. Our consultation paper and a summary are available on www.lawcom.gov.uk.